Merry Christmas, mommy and daddy. Me dey want to make Christmas very special for uno. So me make one Christmas wreath. Me dey want to decorate some Christmas cookie for uno, but me couldn't stop nyam them. Me dey want to find one Christmas present just for uno, but there was just too much toys for me to look pan. So me ask Santa fi bring uno one special present instead. Me dey want to wrap the gift for the baby just for you, but the tape just too sticky. Me pick out one Christmas tree just for uno, but it too big for drag at the yard. Me dey want to carry the Christmas ball them just for you, but the box turn upside down. So me go get out the Christmas light them, but them not all tangle up. Me dey want put the star on top of the Christmas tree all by myself. So daddy help me. Pan Christmas Eve me try to go right to sleep just for uno, but me did just too excited. Me never want to make uno get up too early pan Christmas morning. So me bring up the tie them upstairs just for show no. Merry Christmas, mommy and daddy.